Minister Gayton McKenzie has come out to say he was not involved in the purchasing of SuperSports United and having it brought back to the Bloemfontein. So, indodana yakhe uGayton Yonathan Qembu, as soon as he took office within government, he relinquished all his positions in his private companies. Indodana yakhe Ndalo Babayona, a director on company. So, after doing so, and their link with the club and the province, indodana Gayton McKenzie sikwazi ukuthi ithenge iqembu leSuperSport United, kodwa yena ungqongqoshe uthi he had absolutely nothing to do with it.
But there's no link to me.
There should not be a link. But my involvement was actively, publicly, to tell South Africans, I'm going to make sure that Siwelele returns to the Free State. And it's about to happen if the negotiations go well tonight. You see, I'm here. They're busy negotiating tonight. And it's a proud thing for me. I grew up, I knew nothing else. I grew up very poor. The only time my family was together and the only time my father hugged me was when Celtics would score a goal.